Hello students, I welcome you all to today's amazing session. This is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss a wonderful poem as you can see on the screen, Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So children, have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Yes. Oh, great, good. Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree, right? The poor thing can't come down without help. How would you help it? Surely not like that in the poem. Is Dad a good climber? How were his plan? Read the poem to find out. So students, do you know what happened? Let's summarize the poem, then we are going to deal each stanza, right? So one morning a cat got stuck in the tree, right? As you can see on the picture, right? The narrator's dad, that means who is the narrator, who is the poet of this poem? Kit Wright. Okay. So the narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of it. Okay. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. Okay. And his wife warned him that he might fall. But ignoring her warnings, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell. Okay. Though narrator's father's, that means though narrator, that means poet's mother, warned poet's father not to climb, but he ignored whatever warning his wife was giving, but he did not listen. Right? Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way. Yet again, ignoring his wife's warnings, he swung himself up on a branch. Right? The branch broke, and again he fell. He fell, and what happened then? Do you know? Not giving up still. The father climbed up the garden wall. Luckily, this time he did not fall. When second time he just climbed, he did not fall. And however, the moment he sprang up to the tree, the cat jumped to the ground safe and sound. But what happened then? Poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree. Right? So this is really interesting poem. Okay, funny we can say that. So what we are going to do in this poem? Exactly, we are going to read the each stanza. Okay, and we are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meaning. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? Okay. Now, students, let's read the first stanza. Okay, this morning a cat got stuck in a tree. That said, right? Just leave it to me. So, students, what happened? As you know it, the poet of this poem is Kit Wright. Okay, and the title of the poem is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. And in this poem, the poet says that how the poet's father takes the responsibility of dealing with the cat. Okay, what happened with the cat? Mm, the cat the cat got stuck in the tree, and as poet's father saw, he told him that he will manage to drive away the cat. Okay. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. So here, students, wobbly meaning, underline this word wobbly. The meaning of wobbly is unsteady. Okay. So what happened then? In this stanza, the poet described the narrator's mother concern for her husband. Okay, and as you know it, that since the tree was unstable, okay, and the narrator's mother was full of doubt as to how easy would it be for her husband to climb the tree. Climb means charna. Okay, therefore she warned him that he might fall. Getting me, students? Fall, scope, dad, a climber like me, child's play. This is, you wait and see. So, students, scoped, it's underline this word, okay? Underline this word, and the meaning of this word is laughed mockingly, okay? जब बहुत मजाक उड़ा के हंसते हैं, that is called scoffed, right? So what happened in the stanza? Okay, the poet discussed how the narrator's father laughed away his wife's warning. Okay, as you know it very well that poet's mother was just saying to his father that not to climb the tree. So what happened then? He dismissed away this warnings by saying that he was a good climber. बोल रहे थे कि मैं बहुत अच्छा climber हूँ, right? And climbing the tree was as easy as a child's play. Getting me? Now let's move on to the next stanza. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So, students, what happened? The poet highlights how the narrator's mother fears proved to be true, right? So, here poet's father bring out a ladder. उसको ट्री पर चढ़ना था क्योंकि कैट वहाँ पे स्टक था, राइट? सो व्हाट फादर ब्रॉट अ ladder means सीढ़ी होता है, from the garden shed and but what happened, it slipped and father fell on the ground. So let's move on to the next stanza. Never mind, said dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. So what happened then? Here the poet describes the father gathering back his energy, and poet's father, as he fallen down at that time, what he did, he brushes off the dirt from his hair and clothes, clean his face, पूरे dirt को face और shirt से हटा रहे थे, and begins to think about another plan to drive away the cat. कैट पेड़ पे अटका हुआ था तो फादर उसको वहाँ से निकालने की ही इज़ trying to remove from there. Okay, we'll try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mom said don't fall again. Okay, so here what happened? The poet shows how the mother seemed to be dissatisfied with the plan B as well. Okay, and here the narrator's father decided to try plan B, and his wife, however, again warns him that he might fall again. Wife, फादर दैट मीन्स पोइट की मदर बोल रही थी कि क्लाइंब मत करो प्लान बी को, डोंट अडॉप्ट दैट प्लान बिकॉज माइट बी दैट प्लान ऑल्सो विल बी failed. Okay, fall again, said dad, funny joke. Then he swing himself on a branch, it broke. So what happened then? Here in this stanza, the poet says that how the narrator's father again dismissed his wife's warning, and the narrator father muses away his wife's warning, still laughing, and he swung himself on a branches, but the branch broke and he again fell on the ground. That means हम नाउ वी कैन से डैट स्टूडेंट्स की सेकेंड जो बी प्लान अप्लाई किए थे फादर वो भी सक्सेस नहीं रहा. उनकी मदर, पोइट्स की मदर बहुत बार बार बोल रही थी कि प्लान बी मत मत उस पर जाओ, बट फादर वॉज नॉट लिसनिंग हर एट ऑल. ओके, Dad landed well off back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. So students, just underline the word landed well off. Just underline this word, landed well off. Okay, this is this word given, this phrase given over there. Now the meaning of this is fell heavily. Okay, so let's see. Now here students, actual the poet, what poet trying to say over here, you know, narrator's father again fell on the ground, and the narrator's mother begged him to stop as he might break his neck from falling again and again. नरेटर की जो पोइट की मम्मा, वी कैन से दैट पोइट की मम्मा, जब वो बार बार गिर रहे थे तो उनकी मदर ने कहा कि अब ट्री पर चढ़ना बंद करो, नहीं तो तुम्हारे नेक ब्रेक हो सकते हैं. गेटिंग मी स्टूडेंट्स? Rubbish, said Dad. Now we'll try plan C. easy as winking to a climber like me. So, children, winking that means close and open one eye quickly, that is called winking. Getting me? So, children, here narrator, what we can say that the poet, narrator's father then decided to try plan C, plan A, plan B, plan C. Okay, what he did, he was still confident that being a great climber he would succeed. He was thinking that कि उसको वो सक्सेस होगा ही. उनके फादर ऐसा सोच रहे थे. प्लान बी ट्राई किया, वो प्लान बी सक्सेस नहीं हुआ. देन ही डिसाइडेड टू अप्लाई प्लान सी. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड देन. Now let's move on to the next stanza. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. So, students, what happened then? Do you know? The poet shows the father trying yet another plan. Okay, and narrator's father climbed up the high garden wall, and this time he did not fall. गार्डन के पास जो वॉल था उस पे वो चढ़ गए, और उस समय जब वो गार्डन के वॉल पे चढ़े तो वो वहाँ एट दैट टाइम ही डिड नॉट फॉल, वो नहीं गिरे. Now let's move on to the next stanza. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So, students, in this stanza, the poet humorously ends the poem. Okay, and what he is trying to say over here? Actually, students, the moment the father landed on the cat, जैसे ही वो cat के ऊपर जम किए, we can say that. Okay, the cat screamed. यू कैन इमेजिन स्टूडेंट कि आप कैट के ऊपर जंप करोगे तो वो थोड़ी समझ पाएगा कि उसको सेव करने के लिए आप आए हो. गेटिंग मी? सो द कैट स्क्रीम्ड विथ फियर एंड स्प्रैंग टू द ग्राउंड. लैंडिंग स्मूथली ऑन द ग्राउंड, इट सीम्ड कंटेंट विथ इट सेल्फ. राइट? सो कैट तो नीचे वो जंप कर गई, और क्या की, वो बिल्कुल एज नॉर्मल, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है कैट को. वो मूव शी कैट मूव फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, बट व्हाट हैपन विथ फादर? यस यस यस, राइट, एग्जैक्टली. फादर गॉट स्टक ऑन द ट्री. So it's smiling and smirking, smirk as can be, but poor old dad's still stuck up the tree. So I hope you have understood, students, what happened with the poet's father, right? So before that, you just underline the word smirking, smiling that expresses satisfaction. Smirking, that means smiling that expresses satisfaction. And one more word given over there, that is a smirk. A smirk, that means highly self-satisfied. Highly self-satisfied, that is a smirk. So, students, in this stanza, the poet describes the father's poor state. What he explained, here poet's father describes that having safely landed on the ground, the cat was smiling arrogantly while his father got stuck on the tree. फादर ट्री पे स्टक हो गए और कैट बिल्कुल मुस्कुराते हुए वहाँ से चली गई. सो इन दिस वे I have come to an end of this poem, students. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you so much. Bye.